Hey garden lovers! It might still be chilly outside, but the end of February, beginning of March is the perfect time to start prepping for your container garden. Whether you're dreaming of fresh herbs, homegrown veggies, or making your own salsa, a little preparation now will set you up for success this spring. First things first, planning. Decide what you want to grow and where. Do you want just enough to nibble on, or do you want to grow enough to share or store for the off-season? Now is also the time to decide if growing from seed or using starter plants. If growing from seed, get your seeds now. If you wait, there is a risk the seeds you want will be out of stock. You could also miss the ideal sowing time. You want to ensure the seedlings are ready when it's time to plant. For example, start tomato seeds indoors around 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost date in your area. Cucumbers usually need 4 to 6 weeks. However, peppers are a little slower and need 8 to 10 weeks. Time varies with different varieties, so check the descriptions or seed packs for the recommended timing. Take the last frost date for your area and back up the date by the number of weeks needed, and now you know when to start your seeds indoors. Direct sow lettuce, beans, and pea seeds. These do not need to be started indoors. Once you decide what to grow, you need to familiarize yourself with the ideal conditions for your selections. Most veggies and herbs need at least 6 hours of sunlight, so find a sunny spot or a shady spot for those cooler-loving plants like lettuce or spinach. Now that you have familiarized yourself with the plants you want to grow, you need to choose containers. Some plants like to grow deep, while others like to spread their roots. Choose containers that give these plants the room they need for a strong root system and drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Give your garden pots a good scrub with soapy water to remove any bacteria or pests. Fabric grow bags are also a great option for better aeration and root growth. We like to use large totes for cucumbers and grow bags for tomato and pepper plants. Both have worked very well. Once you have decided what you want to grow and where, it's time to get started. If you are planning on starting seeds and are still inexperienced, keep it simple with seed starting mix. Get a seed tray or pick up some small pots. Don't forget to grab tags to label your seed. Peat pellets are a great option for tomato and pepper seeds. Healthy plants start with great soil. Use a high-quality potting mix, not garden soil. It's lightweight and drains well. Get your soil early to ensure you have what you need when the time comes to plant. Tip: if purchasing soil for your plants, beware of very wet soil which can breed fungus gnats. If the soil is very wet when you go to plant, sprinkle the top with cinnamon. Cinnamon naturally kills fungus gnats. If fungus gnats are already present, they will be driven away because they hate the smell. You can also use diatomaceous earth, which is also effective against other types of plant-eating bugs. And there you have it, your game plan for a thriving container garden. Start now and you'll be harvesting fresh veggies and herbs in no time. Happy gardening!